Right, this video is going to be how to pair the Bebop drone with the Skycontroller, and I'm going to show you how to do it using an iPad. I've got an iPad Air 2, it's gold, that doesn't matter, but the first thing you want to do is, if you're going to be flying it, take off the lens cap, because otherwise you won't get any pictures or anything. And then what you want to do after that is put in the batteries. So you undo the strap, pull on this little ribbon to bring out the connector, and then connect the batteries, push it in and put the strap back on. There. Now you can turn on the drone. Put that off to one side. Then, to put the battery in the Skycontroller, it's a bit easier because it's just this wire here. Same type of connector. Plug it in, push it down so it stays there. Then what you want to do is unscrew this bottom thing, whatever it's called. Unscrew it, and then that can lift this top section up. And what you want to do now is put your iPad in, or tablet, and if you don't have either of those, the Skycontroller can be used by itself, and if you don't have the Skycontroller, your tablet or phone can be used by itself. You could even just put a phone in the top section here, that's what that's for. However, I'd recommend, if you have a tablet that can get the app, I'd recommend doing that, because then you get a bigger screen. And tighten the screw once it's back in, and you can turn the Skycontroller on. Just adjusting the tripod here. That's better. Right. Drone is still turned on. Now what you want to do is, in your iPad, go into settings. Now, if you don't have the controller, you can just connect to Bebop drone. However, if you do have the controller, select the Skycontroller Wi-Fi network. It will say no internet connection, that's alright. Wi-Fi doesn't always connect to the internet. What it does is just connect devices which can connect to the internet sometimes. Then, if you go into Free Flight Pro, it should connect to the drone automatically. Probably see a bit of my set there. Right, so you can click up here to get the videos and photos off of the drone onto the iPad. This shows your drone battery, and it shows that the drone and controller are connected. This, I believe, is how good the connection is with the drone. This top one here is the Skycontroller battery, and the bottom one is the drone battery. You can then click Fly and Film, and this is your flight screen. This is not going to be showing you how to fly it, just how to connect it. So yeah, that's it really. It's pretty simple. And this is obviously what the drone is seeing. And that's it, that's how you connect it. Then you can go and fly the drone. And yeah, I'll be doing another video how to actually fly it and how to use the Skycontroller. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. This was recorded on my phone, so I don't know if the quality is going to be worse than the iPad, because that's what I normally record with. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.